Welcome to Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.
Hello and thank you for clicking on the video. This is our Kodiaq SEL 2 litre petrol, 190 horsepower, 4x4 automatic in the petrol blue metallic paint, DG70 YEE. Now all of the SELs come with the electric tailgate as standard. As you can see, this is the 7-seater version, and with the 7 seats folded down it gives you one flat boot level and an extremely large boot space. All of the SELs also come with the half leather, half micro suede upholstery, and that continued throughout the whole car. So as you can see, the vehicle's currently got 5,974 miles on the clock. It's been added with the adaptive cruise control. It's got the 9.2-inch Columbus satellite navigation system, dual zone climate control air conditioning with heated front seats. All of the SELs also come with front and rear parking sensors, again as a standard feature. Thank you for watching, and for any more information on this car, please call the showroom on 0208 686 8844. Thank you, bye.
Thanks for watching Showroom Window by Marshall, your personal video presentation service.